Hello everyone, here we've got HTC Desire 22 Pro, and let me show you how to remove Google account. At first, unroll the list of all apps and then reach settings. Now find and select accounts. Here they are, passwords and accounts, and click on the one that you would like to remove. Then select remove account and just confirm that you wish to remove it. And that's it, you've just got rid of this account, and then you can smoothly log in with any other account or provide the same one again. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.